Storage tanks don't just wear out, they risk contaminating what they store. Moisture, chemicals, and surface damage can lead to water contamination and unsafe storage conditions. In food and potable water systems, even small failures can compromise safety. Protection starts with a seamless, food-grade system. Blockout ETL Epoxy Tank Lining. A two-component epoxy with strong adhesion and chemical resistance. It forms a seamless, impermeable, food-grade barrier, protecting concrete and steel from contamination. To ensure long-lasting tank protection using Blockout ETL, here's an easy step-by-step procedure. Step 1. Surface preparation. Ensure clean, dry, contaminant-free surfaces. Acid-etch concrete. Flush with water and let it dry. Apply Surfix Epicoat MB before coating. For steel, grit blast, or mechanically clean surfaces, coat immediately to prevent rust. Step 2. Mix Part A and Part B thoroughly at a 2:1 ratio. Use within 30 to 45 minutes. Keep away from heat. Step 3. Use a roller brush and apply evenly. Scrub the first coat firmly into the surface. Step 4. Allow 6 hours between coats. Apply additional layers as needed. Final result: a smooth, durable, waterproof, and chemical-resistant lining. Blockout ETL Epoxy Tank Lining. Available at all Buildrite Hubs nationwide and in all the official online stores.